Guide for MSPs: How to use an RMM platform. Tired of your RMM feeling like more work than it's worth? Discover how a powerful platform can truly revolutionize your MSP. Hi, I'm Megan with NinjaOne. In this video, I'll show you how the right RMM solution can transform your managed services. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel, so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne. The RMM Advantage. For MSPs, staying ahead requires proactive IT management. A strategic RMM platform is key, offering a central hub to remotely manage and support all client IT infrastructure. This shifts you from reactive fixes to preventing issues, providing clear visibility, early alerts, remote resolution, and automation for greater efficiency and better service. Key RMM functions. A strong RMM offers essential functions for effective managed services. Endpoint monitoring provides a detailed view of all managed devices. Patch management simplifies keeping client systems secure with remote updates. Remote access saves time with secure off-site connections. Alerting and notifications keep you informed of critical issues. Proactive management and automation. Leverage proactive management and automation to truly excel. Continuous monitoring and alerts enable early issue resolution. Automation handles repetitive tasks, freeing your team for strategic initiatives. Automating maintenance, software updates, and common issue remediation optimizes your workflow and creates a more self-sufficient system. Streamlined MSP Workflow. An RMM centralizes your entire MSP workflow. Automated agent deployment simplifies client onboarding. Ticketing system integration ensures efficient issue tracking and resolution. Reporting and analytics offer valuable insights for data-driven decisions. Some RMMs even include built-in documentation for easy access to client information. In today's dynamic IT landscape, a powerful RMM solution is no longer just a helpful tool. It's the foundation of a successful and efficient MSP. It provides the visibility, control, and automation necessary to manage complex environments, deliver exceptional service, and ultimately achieve sustainable growth. Are you looking for a smarter way to manage your IT? One that gives visibility and control over shadow IT? Click the link below to start your 14-day free trial with NinjaOne's RMM solution today.